Bonsoir, bonsoir, bienvenue en cours de français, français minute. Je m'appelle John Éric Ringlet et je suis votre professeur de français ce soir. Français minute, we have a rate cycle here, which is the vocabulary. It's the first step when we learn a new lesson with Français minute. Vocabulary, we think it's the most important thing to begin with. We will give you, for every lesson, every new word that is necessary to achieve an action. Then we will jump to grammar in the green color, grammaire en français. So then the logical step will be to assemble all the vocabulary we learn in sentence, in correctly structured sentence. So vocabulary and grammar will be the two things you will find in the PDF lesson before every class. To prepare, we will give you the new content so you can review it and feel comfortable before the class begins. And then we will jump to two things that are essential in the class. The pink one here, that is phonography. Actually, it's pronunciation and spelling. And finally, we will jump to the most important part in the classroom course, the orange cycle here, which is communication. Seid ihr? Communication. So for every lesson, we will have one action, a very important and useful action that you will achieve at the end of the lesson. You will learn a new action in French, something useful. We will have these 4 steps for every lesson, and every step is a very important one. So now we will jump to the first lesson. Leçon 1.1, épisode 1, the first season, the first episode, and the first lesson. Saluer et me présenter. Saluer, it's a verb. It means to greet someone, to say hello, hi. Most of French verbs will end with er, as you can see here, saluer. And then we have which means and, va in Vietnamese, me présenter, introduce myself. So to greet and introduce myself. This is our first goal for this first class. 1. Bonjour. Salut. Bonjour. Salut. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Je m'appelle Marc Dulac. Je m'appelle Marc Dulac. Comment ça s'écrit? Comment ça s'écrit? Mon prénom est Marc. Mon prénom est Marc. Quel est votre nom? Quel est votre nom? Quel est ton nom? Quel est ton nom? Il, elle, on. Il, elle, on. Au revoir. Au revoir. La situation formelle, informelle. So the formal and informal situation of communication. I will compare the two now by couples. Formel, informel. Bonjour. Salut. Vous. Tu. Comment vous vous appelez? Comment tu t'appelles? Quel est votre nom? Quel est ton nom? Enchanté. OK? So now we will move on to the second point, and it is the most important in this lesson and for many other lessons also. Les pronoms personnels et le verbe s'appeler. S'appeler will be to call myself. To call myself something. Okay, let's take a look now. Je m'appelle, tu t'appelles, il s'appelle, elle s'appelle, on s'appelle, nous nous appelons, vous vous appelez, il s'appelle, elle s'appelle. So you can notice something here. Here, for four case, we will have appel, 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 appel. The same sound, the same pronunciation. But only for nous and vous, here we will change a bit the sound to have appel, appelons, appel, appeler. La question avec comment. Donc, the question with comment. Comment, it's like how in English. The question with how. Comment tu t'appelles? Comment vous vous appelez? Comment ça s'écrit? So first we have comment, how, and then we have the subject, le sujet, tu, vous, ça. Ça, actually, it means it, no, something, it. And then we have the verb, t'appelles, vous appelez, s'écrit. Comment, le sujet et le verbe. La question avec quel. The question with quel. So what is quel exactly? If you take a look here, quel will be what. In English, it's what here. What is your name? Quel est ton nom? So we have quel to begin, what, then the verb to be, is, et, and then the group, le groupe sujet, the subject. Ton nom, votre nom, your name. Merci d'avoir visionné. Thank you for watching it. You watch the vocabulaire and the grammar. And now, the first important thing, a new thing in the class, phonigraphie, pronunciation and spelling. So we will come back to the vocabulaire. Voilà, starting from number 1 here, and we will practice. But this time I will not pronounce it. I will ask you to pronounce it for me, and I will correct your pronunciation. Can you pronounce the number 1 for me that you see right now?
Okay. It's bonjour and salut.
Très bien. But be careful with your voice intonation. Bonjour. Jour.
Bonjour.
Voilà. Take your time to pronounce jour. And then you have.
Is it right? Jour.
Voilà. Jour. Exactly. Bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Voilà. Bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Voilà. Take your time. Is soir. Soir. Okay.
Monsieur.
Monsieur. Très bien. Be careful. This one is pretty hard to pronounce because the spelling is absolutely not like the pronunciation. It's monsieur. Monsieur.
Monsieur.
Okay. Je m'appelle Martula.
Not bad, but be careful with the final que. Du lac. Du lac.
Je m'appelle Marc Dulac.
Mon nom complet est Marc Dulac.
Très bien. Excellent. Excellent.
Il, elle, on.
Très bien. Merci.
Au revoir.
Très bien. Au revoir. A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z.
A, B, C, D.
Comment ça s'écrit?
B, R, E,
Oui.
N, O, M.
Ok, très bien.
C O M P L E T.
E.
E T.
Très bien. Just the E is a bit difficult, otherwise it's pretty good.
A-U-R.
Not A. R.
R. R. E-V-O-I-R.
Très bien, très bien. If you have difficulty to pronounce U, you may start from E. E. Like E. The sound is at the front of your face, not at the back, at the front. E. And from E, you keep the same position with the tongue, and you just move your lips to make a round. E-U, 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 U, not OO, U. Okay, this is it. Français Minute. We will have a warm-up exercise before jumping to communication. Okay, so for my first warm-up exercise, this will be here. In this situation, we will have elle, because Sophie is a woman, she, okay? Elle, and we will choose the verb appeler, always. Elle s'appelle Sophie.
Nous nous appelons Enzo et Marc.
Excellent, excellent. Nous appelons Enzo et Marc. Salut, comment? Aha, comment quoi? What do you think we should put here?
Comment tu t'appelles?
Comment? Can you repeat again, please?
Comment tu t'appelles?
Très bien. Salut, comment tu t'appelles? How can you say nice to meet you in French?
Nice to meet you. In French, c'est enchanté.
Excellent. Enchanté. Voilà. A single word will be equivalent to nice to meet you. Enchanté for a man, or if you are a woman, you will say enchanté.
Enchanté.
Voilà, warm-up exercises are done, and now the last part of our lesson is to communicate. Communication. Situation formelle ou informelle. Okay, so now I will ask you something. What kind of sentence can these two people say in French, of course? From the beginning to the end. Look back at the vocabulary. Give me the sentences that are possible, likely to be said in this situation.
Quel est votre nom?
Quel est votre nom?
Votre nom.
Nom de famille, prénom, anything you want. Quel est votre? Voilà.
Nom
Don't
de
forget
famille.
votre. The most important will be votre. Your, but polite.
C'est informel.
Informel, voilà. Informel.
Salut.
Salut. Très bien.
Salut.
Quel est ton?
Voilà, ton. Very important to use ton. Quel est ton nom? Quel est ton prénom? Quel est ton nom de famille? Au revoir is possible, but a bit too formal if we are really good friends. It would be more likely salut.
Salut.
So you can see that salut will be used to greet and to say goodbye also. Salut, salut. Quel est votre nom de famille? Très bien, very good.
Mon nom de famille est Nguyen.
Famille. We will go on. Nyung, can you ask Anh Đào?
Salut.
Salut.
Comment tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle Dao.
Okay, so you can ask me. It's okay.
Bonsoir, monsieur.
Bonsoir.
Comment vous vous appelez?
Je m'appelle John.
Quel est votre nom de famille?
Mon nom de famille est Ringlet.
Ça s'écrit comment?
Ça s'écrit R-I-N-G-L-E.
Merci.
Merci, pardon. Merci.
Merci, merci, monsieur.
Mais de rien. Au revoir.
Au revoir. Ça va bien. Merci. Et toi?
Oui, Ça va. Merci. We start at the comment vous s'appelez?
Alors, informel.
Sorry. Comment tu t'appelles?
Comment tu t'appelles?
Comment tu t'appelles?
T'appelles. Big with Nyung. Big, you will start. Nyung, you will answer. Situation formelle. So, do you have any question before I explain other things about the course? And we wanted to create a program where everything you learn makes sense. Every lesson you learn makes sense. The order makes sense. The communication goal that you achieve is useful and you can apply to real situation in life. And also, I forgot to mention, we replaced the book with the PDF. So it means, yeah, it's a key point to our method that is different. We have the lesson before the class. We don't waste time to introduce the lesson in the class. You are supposed to learn all the most important thing before you enter the class. So then we can save more time to practice inside the classroom. We try to use the online technology to rebalance the class and before the class. We will also give you some contents after the class. We will create some Zalo or Facebook groups with the group of the students. And regularly, many times per week, we will share you some links. We will share you some MP3 documents to listen to after the class to practice. And before, of course, we will send you the PDF file. So it's very connected also. We try to make it modern as we can.
I would like to know about if I study online with your class and I attend to the class at the center,
Yes.
which one is better for your experiencing? Because if I join to the center, I face to face with the teacher. They can support about how to pronunciation. They can fix about which
Sure.
one for the last letter I did not finish, for example. And if I study at the online, maybe limited about the,
Okay.
for example, in this class, limited about how to, for example, when you sharing to us, that means we listen, and some question that means we need to take note and ask you later. But limited about the time, limited about the I mean that mean I mean is face to face. For example, some question immediately when
I understand. But I totally understand because from the beginning, the program, the project Français Minute, is made between online lesson and classroom courses. I mean, you go to real classroom to practice with people. This is the original concept. That's what we want. We want to have the PDF lesson on the smart device with also some documents on it, but the practice will be in a real classroom with real people. That's what we want in top priority. We are teaching online now because of the virus situation. It's an exceptional situation. But what we want the most is to have real class. And we are in partnership with some centers. We run class so we can meet with real people inside the class. We believe, just like other people, we believe that the class is the best place to learn. So online is more like a substitute for the moment. It's the only way that is possible, I'm afraid, for the next weeks. But later, of course, we will have class. That's what we want. Okay. So one last thing, we will send you some audio documents, some MP3 documents after this lesson, so you can practice again by listening about the content of lesson 1 from today. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Merci. Au revoir.